Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, lion baby calf, elephant baby calf, zebra baby foal, donkey baby foal, horse baby foal, fox baby calf, sheep baby lamb, rhinoceros baby calf, camel baby calf, duck baby duckling, crow baby chick, sparrow baby chick, parrot baby chick, peacock baby peachick, eagle baby eaglet, owl baby owlet. Nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick. Insects baby name, spider baby spiderling, ant baby larva, fly baby larva, honeybee baby larva, mosquito baby larva, lizard baby hatchling, HATCHLING. Grasshopper baby nymph, NYMPH. Crocodile baby hatchling, shark baby pup, dolphin baby crocodile baby hatchling, dolphin baby calf, CALF, hippopotamus baby calf, CALF, shark baby pup, tortoise baby hatchling, octopus baby larva. What is article? A and the, a cat, a TV, a pencil, a book, a toy, an umbrella, an owl, an egg, an apple, an igloo, the cow, the kitty, the elephant, the monkey, the tiger. It is article. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U vowels and the rest of all B, D, G, K, L, M, P, T is consonant. What is parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjections are parts of speech. What is noun? Noun understand the name of persons or things. Subhash is a brilliant boy. Subhash proper noun. The cow gives us milk. Cow common noun. Student, army, collective noun. The gold is the valuable metal. Gold, matter as noun. Abstract noun. Understand the emotional cause. Cause in the is no more who we have on the match. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand the instead of the noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy. He is the brilliant boy. Verb. What is verb? Verb understand the action or working. He is playing football. Playing verb. Adverb. Adverb modifying to the verb. He is walking slowly. Slowly adverb. Preposition. Preposition understand the positions of the verb. The fishes are swimming in the river. Conjunctions is adding to the sentences. And or bird. He is very sweet but he is very angry. Conjunction is understand the emotional words